considering to buy a Bathmate, I'd highly recommend you to watch this video first, because this, my friend, is just like the Bathmate. However, it works with air and it works with water, and it is electric, and it makes it so much easier to control the vacuum pressure inside the pump compared to the Bathmate. So I've been using this pump for around 2 weeks. The video of me using it on myself is already on my OnlyFans page. So if you're into that, make sure to check out my link in the description of this video. First of all, let's start with the cost of this pump. So this pump costs around $170 with free shipping. So it costs pretty much as the basic Bathmate pump. However, it has a much more superior features than the Bathmate. Now, me personally, I had two main issues with the Bathmate. Issue number one is the opening of the Bathmate is just too wide, so it was sucking in the skin around the base of my penis. The second issue that I had with the Bathmate is controlling the pressure, because the way the Bathmate works is you create the pressure by pressing it against your body. Now, that works. However, it makes it very difficult to control the pressure precisely. And I found myself a lot of the times pressing it a bit too hard, thus creating too much vacuum pressure and making it very uncomfortable. Now, this pump right here solves both of those problems. First of all, it comes with two sleeves. So this sleeve is made of rubber, and it also comes with a silicone sleeve. One thing to note about this sleeve is that, first of all, it makes pressing against your body much more comfortable, and it also makes the hole a little bit smaller, thus preventing the skin around your penis from getting sucked into the cylinder. And it also comes with a transparent silicone sleeve that wraps around your penis inside the cylinder, and it makes the pressure more consistent throughout the body of your penis. Now, this pump is fairly simple to use. First thing, you press the on button, and then once it's on, you're gonna see a light turn on. And now, after you enter your penis in it and you are ready to use it, you just press this one button and it will start creating the vacuum pressure. It will start pumping the water or air, whatever is inside the cylinder, and it will start creating the vacuum pressure. Now, it will start at a medium speed of pumping, and if you press it again, it's gonna increase the pumping speed. Now, at any given point, if you feel like the pressure is enough or perhaps it's a bit too much, you can simply press the on button once and it will stop pumping. And if you feel like the pressure is a bit too much, you pumped a little bit too much, you can release the pressure just a little bit. So you don't have to release the pressure completely. You can just press a short press on the release button and it will release just a little bit of pressure and stabilize the vacuum inside the cylinder. It charges the battery via the magnets on the back, and to be honest, the battery in it is quite big. So the battery on a single charge would last me around 2 weeks. And also it feels very well built. So it has some weight to it. The quality of the plastic that it's made of is pretty good in my opinion. I feel like it's a pump that is going to last for a very long time. The only downside I could say about this pump is that it doesn't actually have a pressure monitor. So you cannot really tell what's the pressure like inside the cylinder. So you're going to have to go by the feeling. But all in all, I think it's an excellent pump. Just the fact that you can use it with air, with water. It also has a ruler on it so you can measure yourself while you're using it. And it's also very portable. So if you're like me and you travel quite a bit, it just comes in one piece. So you don't need a handle to pump and create the vacuum pressure inside the cylinder. This pump does it all with just a press of a button. Anyway, I thought you guys might be interested in this one. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description of this video below. And let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is the new Bathmate killer? And how would you make this pump better if you had the chance? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, I thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye.